In this video we will discuss about how does technology help law enforcement. Law enforcement gets the privilege to use various kinds of technology before anyone else. Perhaps you are curious about how exactly technology is being used by police department, or maybe you are wondering how does technology help law enforcement find what they are searching for. The digital age has brought about a plethora of technological advances that are accessible to most individuals. However, people in the law enforcement field get the advantage of using the latest technology for the purpose of finding suspects and examining evidences from a crime cases. Do you want to know the pros and cons of technology in the law enforcement field? Just watch this video. One of the first place of technologies used by the police was the police radio in 1933. Years after that, law enforcement began using radar detectors or capture the speed of vehicles. In car laptops were later introduced and soon followed by body cameras. According to Bolatpada, body camera have only widely used since 2014 by law enforcement since the shooting of Mitchell Brown by a police officer. Among the latest technological devices being used to promote public safety today are drones, GPS, gun-shoot technology, surveillance cameras, and licenses plate scanning. Improvements in modern day technology have also brought about block data into the playing field. Cloud computing, biometrics, data collections, crime analysis reports, and document management software are also of the programs represented by big data that provides the police while the critical information that need as soon as possible. In car computer offer the ability to insurity upload information and reports to online police system. They give law enforcement that opportunity to work remotely, improve data collection accuracy, and store reports without the stress of losing or damaging them. Police drones are able to provide law enforcement with an aerial view of a place, which in turn can lead the police to the location of the crime or aid is finding the criminal and represented by Purdue University Global. Global positioning system allow that law enforcement to track the monitor people and get to the crime scene in time. GPS also helps law enforcement to manage the location of police departments, which helps to ensure that there is enough coverage in a critical area. Gunshot technology can direct gunfire and help to monitor gunshot in specific locations. This technology uses mapping and electronic sensors to allow officers to respond immediately.